How to apply loan on Celsius network app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to apply loan on Celsius network app. So applying loan on the Celsius network app involves the following steps. First thing, you need to download and install the app. Go and create your account. As you're done creating your account, you need to verify your KYC as well. As you're done with that procedure, then you need to go to your home page and tap on the transfer or transfer session in the app. As you've done that, next you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and follow the instruction to transfer from an external wallet to exchange. On the other field, you need to go and apply for the loan, that is, click on the borrow section in the app and then select request loan. As you choose the type of loan you want, either in the fiat currency, USD or stablecoin, and enter the loan amount you want to borrow, select the collateral you want to use, and choose the loan to value ratio. Celsius offer different LTR ratios, and review the loan terms including the interest rate, loan durations and repayment terms. Confirm and submit your loan request. As you've done that, you need to wait for the loan approval. Once approved, the loan amount will be credited to your Celsius wallet. Then you could go ahead and repay your loan. So that is how you can apply for the loan on Celsius network app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.